Alright, so we got a new tripod. One of our tripod's legs is actually really broken, and when you try to move it up or down, it kind of just falls out. It is the LL27 Neewer aluminum tripod. It is one-step locking tripod, as well as it comes with an adjustable damping fluid head. It also has, I think it's called the bowl mount, where if your tripod is sitting flat but it's actually not level, you can unloosen the handle and you can actually move just the top portion to level it out, which is really handy for us. So we'll go ahead and start unboxing this. So it comes in a poly bag inside a nice looking case. So the zipper goes almost all the way down to the bottom, which is kind of nice. My tripod that I use that's heavy duty only unzips around the top, so I don't know which way I prefer, but it is kind of nice. It actually feels nice. Doesn't feel as heavy duty as my heavy duty tripod, but it certainly feels better than our other cheaper tripods. My heavy duty tripod is a Manfrotto. It's really stable, it's really heavy. It does not have that feature though where you can move just the bowl to level it out, which is kind of annoying at times, but other than that, it is a really sturdy, good tripod. But this is the tripod, the one-step locking tripod. It should just lift. Yeah, that's pretty nice. That is really nice. I enjoy that. That's so simple. So you don't have to play with your legs a whole lot because it just does it for you, basically. It does all the work for you, which is actually really nice. I really enjoy that feature. You have your handle here, which will allow you to move your bowl and level that out. You have a leveler right here, so you know if it is level or not. And then it has all your normal working mechanisms as a regular tripod. This is supposed to come with a handle, so maybe it's still in the bag. And there's even more stuff. So it comes with Allen wrenches, a little user manual, instruction manual. The handle does feel a little cheap as I'm pulling it out. And it is a handle that can go either on the left or right side. So if you're left or right-handed, you can go ahead and set it up that way. Or if you need it on a certain side, you can go ahead and set it up that way. And it just locks in with your teeth clamp. That's pretty standard on these tripods. And it has this mechanism that none of our tripods have where it balances back out, so that's kind of nice. Standard. Whoa. For RS2, RS3, and for standard. So it looks like you could have different plate. Look at that. Another hidden wrench. They're trying to be like small rig. Every company should have something like that. It has your standard 3/8 and 1/4 20 screws. It's not super heavy, but it is pretty heavy. This does not lock, which is a little worrisome. Usually if you have something like this, there's something to lock it. We'll see how that works in the field. This controls your tilt, your up and down, your vertical, and then this controls your pan. It does get a jolt in there sometimes, so be aware of that. So follow us for more reviews on products and unboxing of items. We don't open them until we're in front of you, so we don't look at these things beforehand and then go over it. You get to see our full reactions as we open these items. This is what it is. I don't know what else to say.